If your phone is your camera, studio, and editing suite, this video is for you. Welcome back to Absolute. Today, we're talking about the top AI-powered video editing apps for mobile creators in 2025. Tools that help you edit, caption, cut, and create on the go with serious power in your pocket. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's answer one very important question. What makes a great AI video app? Not all mobile editors are created equal. A great AI video app should do three things. Speed up your workflow, auto-cuts, smart effects, scene sync. Add value automatically, captions, transitions, noise removal. Adapt to platform needs, TikTok, YouTube, IG Reels. It should just work. And yeah, it better not crash mid-export. All the apps we'll be covering today have most of these features built into them. If you're excited about this discovery, then come with me. One, CapCut. CapCut is still king for creators in 2025. It is a free, all-in-one mobile video editing app developed by ByteDance, the creators of TikTok. Since its global launch in 2020, CapCut has quickly become a go-to tool for content creators looking to produce high-quality videos on the go. Its features include speech-to-text. Upload a video of yourself talking, and CapCut immediately turn your speech into text. Text-to-speech. This works just like the former, although what should be uploaded here is text. There are a variety of voices to choose from. One-click viral templates. Auto-captions that actually make sense. Background removal without a green screen, both for photos and videos. CapCut is basically TikTok's secret weapon, but it works great for any platform. It is available for download on both iOS and Android via the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Pricing: CapCut's free version is quite robust. However, for more advanced features, consider upgrading to the Pro plan for $9.99 when billed monthly and $89.99 billed yearly. Next up is VLLO. VLLO is the chill, underrated editor every video editor, especially vloggers, wish they'd found sooner. Trusted by over 40 million users worldwide, it offers a comprehensive suite of tools that make video editing intuitive and enjoyable. Its features include auto-caption. Instantly add text captions to your video with audio. It works like magic. VLLO promises unlimited exports with no watermark. AI tracking. Make elements on your video follow the subject seamlessly. AI background remover. Remove backgrounds from your photos and videos with just one click, creating ultra-realistic words around you. Speed control. Looking for a time bender? Then you definitely should check out this tool. It's smooth, clean, and built for both quick edits and pro-level cuts, right on your phone. VLLO is available for download on both iOS and Android devices through their respective application stores. Pricing: it offers a free version with unlimited exports and no watermarks. To unlock additional functionalities, including advanced editing tools and an expanded asset library, consider choosing a subscription model that best fits your needs. 3. Filmora for mobile. Filmora brings serious AI sauce to your mobile device. Formerly known as Filmora Go, it is a comprehensive video editing application developed by Wondershare. Designed for both Android and iOS platforms, it offers a user-friendly interface equipped with a wide array of features. These include dynamic captions. It can even capture your emotions on the go. AI beats. Not finding the right sound to go with your video? This tool comes in very handy. AI auto-cut. Image to video. Give it an image and it creates stunning videos to your taste. If you love Filmora on desktop, this is the portable version with way fewer crashes and lots of flair. Pricing: Filmora Mobile offers a free version with essential video editing tools. For access to advanced features and an ad-free experience, the app provides several in-app and purchase options. 4. Adobe Premiere Rush. Think of Premiere Rush as Adobe's little brother with big AI dreams. Perfect for content creators who want to produce social media-ready videos without complex editing tools. Features: tailored transitions. Customize titles. Share videos anywhere. Adjust speed, audio, and lots more. Adobe Premiere Rush is perfect if you're shooting mobile but editing in Adobe later. It was launched in October 2018 and is available on the App Store, Google Play, and Adobe's website. Pricing: the app offers a free starter plan with basic features and unlimited exports. For more advanced tools and more cloud storage, there are paid options starting from around $10.74 per month, including VAT. 5. InShot AI. InShot is already a favorite, but in 2025, the new AI features make it even better. It offers a range of AI-powered tools designed to streamline the editing process and enhance content quality. Key AI features include AI Video Editor, AI Effects, Auto-captions, and Speech, Motion Speed Modification, Smart Cutout, and lots more. It also has other exclusive effects, including glitter, distort, line, and so on. And it exports fast, even if your phone isn't top tier. InShot is available for download on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Pricing: the app provides a free version with essential editing tools, while premium subscriptions unlock advanced features and remove watermarks. These subscriptions are available on a monthly and yearly basis, catering to different user needs. Want more? Check out LumaFusion AI. For iPad pros, this one's your mobile Final Cut. Veed Mobile. This is a browser-to-mobile transition, very slick. Magisto enables you to choose clips, pick a mood, and let AI direct your video. They're not perfect, but they're definitely fun to explore. Okay, so which one should you use? Well, that depends on your use case. For fast social videos, use CapCut or InShot. For voiceover or story style edits, use VLLO. For advanced mobile creators, use Filmora or LumaFusion. For Adobe ecosystem fans, your go-to tool is Premiere Rush. If you're editing from your phone, these tools are the cheat codes you've been waiting for. Which mobile editor are you using right now? Or which one are you trying next? Drop it in the comments. I'm building a full AI tools map for mobile creators, and I want your favorite on it. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Creator Smart content, and check out our next video.